Hi folks, welcome back Dana Sam YouTube channel. So today we are going to talk about some another topic on my YouTube channel. And to be honest, if you are a digital marketer, you want to become a digital marketer. So this topic is very beneficial for you. Beneficial as a beginner. You just started your digital marketing career right now. So basically in this video I will to talk about some very crucial topic on my YouTube channel, and I have writing around 4 to 5 points. We will discuss each and every point deeply in this video. And if you are a digital marketer and you want to come in digital marketing industry in 2024, so I will request you please watch this video till the end, and at the end of video I will tell you how to get the job in digital marketing industry without any experience. First of all, I would like to tell you I am working in digital marketing industry since last 2 years. So I have pretty good experience in this industry. So that's why I'm sharing my experience with everyone, and I'm helping for everyone how I can provide the way how you can get a job by the help on me. So if I talk about the today question is best digital marketing skills in 2024. So to be honest, we will talk about around this topic, this question in this video. And I recently told you at the end of the video I will tell you how you can get the job in digital marketing industry without any experience. So let's start. If I talk about the first point, what is digital marketing? So basically digital marketing is a kind of way how you can communicate, how you can interact with audience via internet. So basically we have the around 8 to 10 types of digital marketing. But honestly, to be honest, we are actually using in daily basis using right now three or four types. I'm not talking about we are not using left more digital marketing part we are using. But to be honest, if I talk about the top parts of digital marketing, I will talk about the top 3 skills in this video. In this video. So this is basic of digital marketing, how you can communicate with your audience via internet. So that's all. If you want to know more about the digital marketing, so I have already uploaded one video on my YouTube channel. So you can watch that video, and you can know everything about the digital marketing. I have share each and every point in that video, so you can know everything about the digital marketing industry, how you can get at disadvantage of digital marketing industry, advantage of digital marketing industry, fresher salary, experience salary. So I have covered each and every point in that video, so you can watch that video and you can know everything about the digital marketing industry. So if I talk about the second point in this video, why digital marketing is important right now. To be honest, first of all, all kind of business going actually going to make the present on the online mode. So that's why digital marketing booming important right this time. And and if I talk about the second scenario, so we to be honest, we have become a internet habitual right now. So that's why actually that's why that digital marketing very important for us because if you are a digital marketer, so you know your audience. You have to just target your right audience, and you have to sales your product to your audience. So more important in digital marketing industry, it is the most important thing how you can target your audience. So that's why to be honest, we are number one in the world. If I talk about the highest number of audience in the world, actually they are using right internet right now. So that's why digital marketing is a very crucial part in the industry. So if I talk, so to be honest, if you want to come in digital marketing industry, so this is the best time you can come you can come and you can start your digital marketing you can start your digital marketing journey. If I talk about the future of digital marketing, so to be honest, I recently told you digital marketing actually become a very crucial part in digital in the business industry. So if you are a beginner, if you are a business owner, any kind of business, like you have the small business, yeah, medium business, yeah, big business, so you have to you have the you have the two things. The first thing, you have to make the presence for your business on the online mode, and second thing, you have to sell your product to your audience. So without digital marketing you cannot do both of them, to be honest, because if you don't have good presence on the internet, so you cannot you cannot get the trust for your audience, and you cannot sell your product via internet. So that's why so that's why marketing future is very bright in the world right now, because the lots of the business become every day. So and that's why the business owner need digital marketing digital, because every owner, every shop owners want to sell their product to their audience. So without digital marketing you cannot do this kind of thing, because if I talk about the door-to-door marketing, it has been closed right now, because so that's why the lots of business owners actually have been become a digital marketing habitual. So that's why digital marketing future very bright. And if I talk about the Indian perspective, so our Prime Minister already supported it in 2024. 24. So and after 2024, they are also provided lots of platform like Digital India platform. They are supported it, and they are providing the kind of budget for only this platform. So that's why digital marketing future is very bright. So if you want to come in this industry in 2024, so you can come. You have to just focus your things with which thing you want to learn most importantly. If I talk about the top three things, top three skills in digital marketing industry, the first skill is, if you want to be honest, if you are you have recently done your graduation and you want to come digital marketing industry, so you have to just focus in these three things. The first thing is SEO, search engine optimization. If I talk about the second thing, Google Ads. If I talk about the third thing is social media marketing. So to be honest, as a beginner, you have to you have to just focus SEO, because if you are starting your career, so you have to get a job honestly. You have to become a independent. So you have to get a job in any kind of company, and you have to just you have to start your career, and after that you can learn Google Ads, yeah, social media marketing, and you can know you can learn each and every skill step by step. Don't think about I have to learn everything in the one night. To be honest, it will not happen in your whole life. You have to just focus one thing. You have to learn one thing, and after that you have to start second thing, and after that you have to start third thing. It is a process of the digital marketing industry. You cannot learn many things in the same time. So I will suggest you, if you want to come digital marketing industry, so this is the top three skills right now in 2024. You have to start SEO as a beginner. You have to learn start SEO, and after that you can focus Google Ads. Yes, social media marketing is completely depend your understanding, your thinking, and after that you can learn programmatic advertisement, yeah, programmatic SEO, and any more. But to be honest, you have to just believe in yourself. You have to learn one skill in the everyday. You have to searching lots of things on the internet. This is the three skills you have to focus step by step. If I talk about the fifth point in this video, how to get a job in digital marketing industry without any experience. To be honest, I am working in this industry since last 2 years, and when I got a job, so I don't have experience. I did start my digital marketing journey as a beginner, beginner. To be honest, you have to just create a exquisite resume and upload all kind of job portal. All job portal, you have to mention each and every point about yourself, like your achievement, your great education background, your family background, your knowledge, your skills, and you have to just focus your skills. You have to go in the you have to schedule your interview, and after that you have to upload your resume on the job portal and schedule your interview. And to be honest, after 1 year 2 weeks you will be get your first job definitely. This is my personal experience, and I did same thing when I was a fresher, to be honest. So that's all in this video. If you have any issue regarding this video, please let me know in the comment box. Yeah, if you want to make the video on their specific question, so please put the question in the comment box. Please like and subscribe and share this video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.